Welcome to this video guide on how to get started and set up your class with Noteable. In the last video, we looked at how to create an assignment with Noteable, and in this video, we'll progress to create autogradable exercises in a notebook on Noteable. To begin with, this code that you see here is what the student will view, but this code that we have replaced it with is the actual solution to the code that as a teacher you can create. In the first place, by adding sections within hashtags like this. The hashtags then tell Noteable to mark which part is the solution and to remember that. And when we generate the student version of this assignment, the solution within the hashtags is replaced with a placeholder that asks the student to write their code there, so that this autograded answer cell type will then be used by the student to complete their assignment. Noteable has hidden the solution that the instructor will have set, but remembers it for autograding later. And so here you can see that the script the teacher writes will include the autograding cell and a hashtagged solution identifier, which compares with what a student sees for their assignment with the hashtag solution identifier, giving them the space to complete the exercise without actually showing them the solution. The next step will be to create autograder tests that can help check students' answers to autograder cells. To do this, we can scroll to the cell ID box, where we can give the cell box a specific name to distinguish it as an exercise in this notebook. And so here it is important that you give your autograded answer an ID name to link with the autograder test cells below, such as first exercise, shown here. An autograded answer gets evaluated by an autograded test cell. Before showing you what that looks like, here's an example of what running a cell on Noteable looks like. Here you can see the output of running the code cell. So in the autograder test cell, you're evaluating unit tests that check for the correctness of the autograded answer that was shown in the example above. Autograder test cells also allow you to decide how many points the cell will be worth for the assignment. And next, we'll mark how this cell is showing the correct solutions for the autogradable exercise above by giving it this cell ID name, which links up to the name that we gave the exercise. You can also create hidden solutions here, like we did above in the autogradable answer cell, by using the solution identifier hashtags. You can also create autograder tests that check that the exercise raise an error for invalid inputs. And here is just a recap of this process. So here is an example how you can also hide solutions within autograder tests, like autogradable answers. When you create the student version of the assignment, you can preview the space your student will see for completing the exercise, while Noteable will have hidden the solution for autograding later. In the next video guide, we will see how managing an assignment through the Form Grader tab works and how autograding plays into this process. This video is part of a guided series to set up your class and start teaching programming with Noteable. Please proceed to the next video in the playlist or find more information about Noteable on the documentation page of the Noteable website.